Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. In this guide, we'll show you how to generate a professional-looking table of contents for your documents, making it easy for readers to navigate through your content. Setting up heading styles. The first step in creating a table of contents is to ensure that your document is properly formatted with heading styles. Heading styles are hierarchical formatting styles that allow Word to recognize different levels of headings in your document. To set up heading styles, navigate to the Home tab in the Word ribbon. Here you'll find a variety of heading styles to choose from, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. Select the appropriate heading style for each section of your document, ensuring consistency throughout. Applying heading styles to document sections. Once you've set up your heading styles, apply them to the relevant sections of your document. Simply select the text you want to designate as a heading and choose the appropriate heading style from the Styles gallery. Inserting a table of contents. With your document properly formatted, you're ready to insert a table of contents. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, then navigate to the References tab in the Word ribbon. Click on Table of Contents and select a pre-designed format from the drop-down menu. Customizing Table of Contents. Settings. Word offers several options for customizing your table of contents. You can choose whether to include page numbers, specify the number of heading levels to display, and adjust the formatting of the table itself. Updating and editing the table of contents. As you make changes to your document, such as adding or removing sections, you'll need to update the table of contents to reflect these changes. To do so, simply right-click on the table of contents and select Update field. You can also manually edit the table of contents by clicking on it and making changes directly. Final tips and tricks. Before finalizing your document, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, ensure that your headings are clear and descriptive, as they will appear in the table of contents. Second, double-check the formatting of your document to ensure consistency and readability. Finally, don't forget to save your document regularly to avoid losing any changes. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. With your newfound skills, you'll be able to produce professional-looking documents that are easy to navigate and impress your readers. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!